Hi there. My given name is Li Wen, and my family name is Yo. In Taiwanese dialect, my name would be Yu Le Bun. So, I'm from Taiwan, a beautiful island rich in culture and heritage. In my country, Taiwan, our language of communication is mainly Taiwanese Mandarin and a number of other local dialects as well. In my country, a lot of people like me still prefer to use Taiwanese dialects to greet each other. Normally, we greet people in two different ways. So, in the morning, we will say, Gao za. And other time in a day, we will say, Li ho, jia ba bui. Which means, hi, have you eaten yet? So, now, do you still remember how to say hello in Taiwanese dialect? Let's try. Gao za. Li ho, jia ba bui. Li ho, jia ba bui. In addition, do you want to learn how to say thanks and you're welcome in Taiwanese? So we usually say thanks, 感謝, 多謝. Or if you want to mention you would say li, means you. So it's like 感謝你 or 多謝你 to be more polite. So now let's try. 感謝多謝感謝你多謝你 And we usually say you're welcome like "Benkeki la," which means don't mention it in English. And what about saying sorry and excuse me? If you want to express or extend your apologies to someone, you can say 失礼 or 真歹勢. And if you want to say excuse me in Taiwanese, you can just say it 歹勢借問一下. In English translation, it would be excuse me, may I know? So try it. Sorry. 失禮真歹勢 Excuse me, may I know? 歹勢借問一下. So now, tell me if you can remember what you have learned today. Since Taiwan was once ruled by Japan, we Taiwanese retain a large number of Japanese pronunciation or Japanese kanji characters, but the pronunciation is the Taiwanese pronunciation of the vocabulary. For example, apple in Japanese is lingo, but in Taiwanese dialect we will say lingo. And we'll say bread, it's pan. It's same as like Japanese. And beer, we say biru. In Japanese, it's almost the similar sounds. And last one, I have a tomato. So in Taiwanese dialect, we say tomato. Tomato. It's very similar like Japanese accents. And last but not least, I would like to emphasize that our Taiwanese dialect, just like many other languages in the world, is disappearing rapidly due to the previous government forcing Taiwanese only to speak Mandarin. Otherwise, we will be punished by law. Until today, there are fewer younger generations Taiwanese who knows how to speak our mother tongue. In fact, there are many multicultural groups in Taiwanese population. So actually, we have more than just one dialect to use in our country. Fortunately, the current new government's efforts to change the course of the situation with the use of different media on the internet to educate the next generation, and a mother tongue language curriculum in schools is mandatory. So, do you like the Taiwanese dialect? Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.